So I asked Spencer, can you give us some background on the LaPrele Mammoth site?
Yup, LaPrele is, as of right now, the oldest archaeological site in Wyoming, occupied by early Paleo-Indians. We have diagnostic artifacts from both the Clovis and Folsom archaeological cultures. Initially, it was a Clovis mammoth kill, a juvenile mammoth associated with a small assemblage of artifacts. So when we started excavating this site in 2014, we didn't know that it was a mammoth kill. We knew it was after 2014, and then since then the site's just kind of gradually expanded and expanded and expanded. And so now the site is very much an early Paleo-Indian campsite with a mammoth kill in it. And around that mammoth kill, there's a bunch of really dense concentrations of artifacts that we argue represent the floors of houses that were occupied almost 13,000 years ago. Probably where people camped for, say, like 2 weeks to a month or something like that.
And I have Spencer elaborate here because I want you to just get a better picture of what the site would have looked like. And I ask him, is this like the quintessential Paleolithic site? And like, what would the daily life be like then?
That's what it looks like to me. You know, every one of these little clusters has kind of a different character to it. Some of them are just scatters of flakes around probably a hearth. Another one of them has a really dense scatter of red ochre on the floor of the house. It looks like maybe people were processing hide or doing something with red ochre. A couple of the other areas are just really dense concentrations of flaking debris and end scrapers and stone tools, very much like heavily occupied houses where people were conducting a lot of activities. But yeah, it would have been kind of a bustling Paleolithic campsite with basically every activity you'd expect to find in those campsites occurring. Flint knapping and hide processing and building weaponry and repairing clothes for certain.